You see a mosquito you want to get rid of? Box cover. Simple like that. What?
That.
I don't know anything, you know. Well, I'm just get this. Oh, sorry, I'm scared to me have vlog.
You have vlog?
Yeah, so do we finally reach you know, long day I wait for him about 3 hours. I turn up out in a New Kingston there, so I wait for the boss, you know.
Lies, lies, and more lies.
Apparently, I'm supposed to show up here, but then late, come there run from another shoot with life lessons with Jason. I'm just reach here, the brother there, must say I wait. Hopefully, I just 3 minutes alone there, I wait. You never there wait too long, right? I just 3 minutes, right? So we just reach now, I don't know what do we plan, but him just say, yo, some shoot up here, I don't even know who them look or something. I think I shoes lace, I called the girl a while ago. The girl tell me, say, I just saw you must left her style. At time, I got tight in a ribbon and him look or something, but I just saw it go. But anyway, peace out.
What am I gonna wear? How am I gonna walk? What wig should I wear? How am I gonna act? Am I gonna cry?
And all Duvy say is that him just see me there right here, so one video me right here. So him change the camera settings to 4K.
Ah, that's history.
What is happening, Duvy? Duvy, what going?
Yeah? Oh, my that. Oh.
Yeah. Alright, so Duvy, who are you and what you do here? He's a what? Yeah man, big up, you know man. Big up.
Pretty legendary if you ask me.
So alright, yeah.
Duvy, content creator.
Alright. Branding, what else? Like what else? What that mean? Content creator?
Businessman, content creator.
Videographer, photographer.
Photographer, videographer, editor, writer, director, producer.
See there? And the list goes on.
Create.
It's too much. Excuse me.
Honestly, people, about 10 years now, Duvia so was supposed to link up and like collab and do something like 10 years. May I tell you, I'm from back in that time when Bruce did it with Prime Minister from Porsche Simpson way before them time there. And finally in a 2021, it take a whole pandemic for finally reach on the channel.
Theme fall.
Anyway, so today we have an idea like why the vision. Oh yeah man, big up, you know, big up. Our cool one. So I tell them on the support of them out here and all over the place. So what the vision we have to right now?
So the vision
alright
is to get some things.
Alright. Where you see we're in a New Kingston right now. Which part you see the photo shoot are going? Where?
Alright, so you have one nice little billboard in New Kingston. I don't know who pays bill, but it give off a nice little night.
You think a whole heap of money? So actually a whole heap of like
it always on, so you know.
You know, I was wondering if a solar panel or something like that, okay?
Probably, but we're gonna use the light because we're gonna take some natural lit. You know, we're not really use too much.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get some naturally lit light.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a vibe.
Alright, let's go. What you want? What kind of heavy artillery this? What is this? What is this?
Alright.
Like I play Call of Duty.
Call of Duty, I will just pull out.
But then if you watch the Jumanji movie with Kevin Hart and we read a name and The Rock, you never watch it?
Yeah man.
Oh yeah, with the Kevin Hart character where he might just want to carry the bag and carry all of the weapon them. Yeah. So yeah man, I hear power that too.
You're also a good weapons valet.
What does that mean?
Well, I think it means you carry my weapons in your backpack and you give them to me when and if I need them.
I'll be Kevin Hart, right?
I want to sign this up me at The Rock.
Alright, so.
Wait, now it's shoot for shoot. You know, I always wonder the type of people that will come out of them place here and actually have video people. Or I do photo shoot. So if you don't know what New Kingston look like right now, that's how New Kingston look. This is New Kingston in Jamaica right now. Lonely and empty, you see?
Alright, so.
Oh, walk on.
Alright. So I go walk you through something now.
Oh, yeah, try to find a new location now. Jesus, P, you know. Have you ever been inside here, so? You know, look like we're supposed to start have meeting. No, man, do we?
Nice.
And if we have some like a business meeting right this time, just be like, alright, so what you thinking about it? I'm putting $2,000 on 2,000 US.
2,000 US.
2,000 US, can you know when I deal with nothing less than that?
When I deal like The Rock and Kevin Hart, the next Jumanji Jamaican style. Right?
Yo, you know, some watch a movie like it was literally a fear doing man, like the idea of actually being trapped. You think, oh, am I upside down still? Alright, I'm good.
I'll use this.
Wait, we're gonna use the people in Starbucks?
Yeah.
God, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Look how badness it name. Nobody can come doing nothing. I'm a Prime Minister Youth Award winner. Whatever, I'm gonna say, yo, man, no, Andrew Oldness. Them can't come fight against this.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Yep, that's me.
I'm gonna show the people them a little piece, hold on. Can't show them too much, just a little something. Alright, that's it, I'm not even see no more. Tomorrow.
12 seconds later.
So apparently right there, so there's something say visual vibe. Alright, this is the next spot. So this is now the third spot over there in New Kingston. The place look like a ghost town already, like it's a curfew at 6 o'clock. And it is not. Because nobody have no little life, nobody cannot go anywhere. The place just looks like this. Water. Oh, sorry, you come. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Hey, Lisa. Big up anybody who want to people can't see though. Hold on, I'm going to go for it. Hold on. Alright, so I'm walking the streets of New Kingston. Sound careless, but that's not what it is. And we book up Lisa, a Berida. Hey.
Hey.
Alright, anybody greetings across the world? Like Christmas gone, anybody want for big up?
No, not anyone. I mean, I live with my family, so.
Oh yeah, them don't get them big up every day, and you know anybody, alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm a big fan of you, though.
I received that, and I'm very happy to have met you. Please
Bye.
take care and enjoy the rest of the day.
Bye.
Yeah, man. So you see, like low key, like I just realize. This is what coming to really got road very often coming on a life. So the little one time I had the road now it's like no, you do road every day. Every day you have a shoot, you're busy. That's why about 10 years it takes for me finally can link up with you like this. Yo, what kind of plant that is? That what is something over this today? What is this? Yo, I just love how this looks. Sorry, I'm gonna just go fast on this right. So this is
Who's that Pokemon?
if you see, boy, look at that. Look at God. Thank you.
Eventually.
Mind blowing. Like, I don't even think, I think that it will hit me like in 5 years.
So, brother, there, Jesus. Oh my God. Hello? You're at a VMBS. Yeah, Burger King, Jesus Christ, I'm at VMBS. Up the road, the up. You know, see the up like you know where Sutherland there. You know where Sutherland there? After months of waiting, finally, Jesus, beam. Oh, you know Victoria Mutual. Oh, I'm thinking of the car a while again. So, Rajay, thank you for being here. Rajay, Dovey, photographer, Dovey, Rajay. Alright, so your job today is just hold the camera. So you have to put on a little bit of something just because. Huh?
You know, so is my cousin them there at Triple Century. I'm gonna look for them all ago.
Oh. So you come here for come and meet your brother and you're gonna go meet friend.
But I'm a family, Sharice.
So me a what? So me a what? So me a what?
Yeah, family, but
you see me a try to tell you like honestly do me there try to grow him up and say yo, when me I got event, I probably can't carry him. You know, like just go there and look at extra hand. But you see how him stay. You see how him stay. Me did and I get an interview with all Shensia. And in a 2 minutes time, like him probably go book up on him friend them from high school and ditch me. So when me I look and say, yo, I hold the camera. We know how you stay.
Realize me go down here first, then I come here.
Anyway, Roger, anyway. You could have just come to me and say, yo, you come show your face and then anyway, what I say go. Anyway, hold the camera. Come here, thank you.
Alright,
man, expensive camera, this is not like cost more than your life right now.
I have my camera in my back.
Yeah, but this is something to thank you.
So where
thanks.
Where I shoot actually?
May I shoot this is my vlog. So behind the scenes I may do a photo shoot.
Okay.
So you can talk to the people that at the back of the camera.
Okay.
Just put on your personal attention.
Okay.
And if you want to show yourself, you just carry it through. But I would trust that camera know how steady and big.
No.
Yeah, so you can just like talk from here, so. But hold it.
Okay.
That's all you have to do.
It's recording?
Yeah, it's already a record. So this? Yeah, it's a record.
It
will pause, it will come back in.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, what may I do? Remember, now watch out for me in case one come. Yo, honestly, I just asked you, today my grandmother's birthday, she's her 70th. I'm going to ask you a while ago where you buy mama for your birthday. And what you say a while ago?
Chicken patty.
Talk now, people them not here. Where you buy her?
Chicken patty I buy. I have a problem with that.
One or two? One
chicken patty time. Mama no fussy.
But she said that. She said that because, but she know she want the big excitement.
You know when she get the chicken patty, you know she just smile and say at least her grandson buy her something.
A chicken patty?
You don't care nothing to her yet, you know?
No, she asked me. What I'm no. Yeah, but I tell her, I say I'm going to give her two Malta. Tell her, I say, I want different family, so not the big excitement and the something. She said she want two Malta and she want like ice cream. Nothing wrong with that. So she want grapefruit.
Grape nut ice cream.
Grape nut or whatever.
Because she a chan panic from evening.
And Roma raisin. I'm going to say I'm going to get that and that not bad.
But I was on the road.
And you buy your grandmother one. You did the house with her. When you did the house one chicken patty.
But mama na eat.
You could give her one little combo or one little side order or something like that. It's okay, I don't know. Okay, you cologne? So smell like a mommy cologne you put on.
Splash on.
Yeah, man, it'll go on, man, it'll go on. Anyway, that's it for the show, Duvi. At the building, thank you very much for, I'm not really thank you because honestly, I'm there waiting for him for like 3 hours. People, I'm there waiting for him for 3 hours. Me one right out in the gas station, people are fear wonder if I homeless or something a while ago. I wait for him and then you show up. I like the last minute I mean, I say, alright then, everything's simple. But I like me to tell you, people do be there from a long time, but true, I feel like me a star. I left from one shoot to the next. Him come, him pass through. Him do him thing. I see some of the picture them look like one decent human being. I look like one Shrek today. So I have to give God thanks for that. Brother, you reach here basically when the dance done, but better late than never. Because I'm going to try to get some stuff for grandma now.
Can't break your neck for reach somewhere, I understand.
But yeah man, this is where I'm going to just like end the vlog. So that's it for DuttyBerry Uncut. Peace out until the next time. I don't know where will I be. You know, so I could have probably vlog mama and talk. Make sure meet the people. You know, mama need to go up on YouTube and talk now.
You can do it, man.
Alright, so anyway, peace out, DuttyBerry Uncut.